Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm putting together an affordable Mother's Day gift box using some really cute self-care items. I wanted this to be something simple but still feel thoughtful and put together. I started by placing the larger items in the back so they can stand out first. Then I layered the smaller items in the front and adjusted them. If you're on a budget but still want something thoughtful and put together, this is a really easy idea you can recreate. Most of these items are really affordable and easy to find, especially at places like Dollar Tree or discount stores. You don't need a lot, just placing things the right way makes a big difference. And this is how it turned out. I think it came out really cute and perfect for a simple Mother's Day gift. Comment down below and let me know if you would gift this to your mother or yourself. Also, let me know what other themes or ideas you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.